So, every organization out there is looking for an edge, right? But what if I told you the real secret to dominating your industry? Well, it isn't some groundbreaking new product. It's not a huge marketing budget either. What if it's something simpler, but way more powerful? What if it all comes down to how you think? I mean, that's the big question, isn't it? How do you truly beat the competition? Is it about that revolutionary product? Or maybe just slashing prices? Or is it something deeper, something you build from the inside out? Well, the source material we're looking at today suggests the answer is all about how you operate. And the answer, according to our source, is this really powerful concept called customer centricity. Now, look, you've probably heard that buzzword thrown around before, but its real power, it's in how simple and actionable it actually is. Okay, so at its heart, this is what it's all about. It's not just some nice-sounding mission statement you hang on a wall. Nope. It's an active, day-to-day strategy. It means the entire organization is lined up around one single crystal-clear goal: delivering for the customer on their terms. Just look at how simple and direct that is. That's the core promise right there, and it cuts through all the usual business jargon. So the question every single team should be asking themselves is this: are we truly making sure our customers get exactly what they want right when they need it? All right, and here's where things get really interesting. Because to truly get this right, we have to kind of stretch our definition of who the customer actually is. Turns out, it's not just the person buying your product. So the source material actually splits customers into two really critical groups. First, you've got your external customers, the clients and the users we all normally think of. But, and this is key, just as important are your internal customers. We're talking about your colleagues, the other departments inside the company. I mean, think about it from a second. Your internal customers are your own teammates. So if the sales team, for example, can't get accurate data from the analytics team when they need it, what happens? Well, that external client is left waiting, right? The whole system just breaks down. A truly customer-centric culture gets this. It understands that excellence for the outside world has to start with excellence on the inside. Okay, so we know the goal now, and we know who we're serving. But what's the engine that actually powers this whole strategy? How do we build a system that can deliver for everyone, both inside and out? And this right here gets to the absolute core of it. Your long-term advantage, it isn't built on a single product launch. It's not built on some clever marketing campaign. It's built on the consistent day-to-day actions of your people. It's all about behavior. Let me give you an example. Imagine a software company decides their key behavior is going to be every single bug report gets a personal reply within 24 hours. Just think about that. That one action completely transforms the customer experience. So this really breaks down into a clear two-step path. First, you have to consciously create the right behaviors, like that 24-hour reply rule we just talked about. But here's the thing, just creating them isn't enough. The real challenge is step 2. You have to sustain them. You got to keep them going until they become the automatic, default way everyone operates. It has to become part of your organization's DNA. Okay, so let's connect all these dots back to the ultimate goal, which is winning, right? Because when you can successfully create and sustain these unique behaviors, something amazing happens. You don't just become better than your rivals, you actually become different. And that is the real power of this whole approach. When your team operates in a way that is totally unique to your culture, you're basically changing the rules of the game. It's like your competitors are all busy playing checkers, but you're playing chess. And this visual really shows the end result perfectly. See, it's not just about having a higher bar for performance. It's that you're playing a different game altogether. While your rivals are busy competing on all the same old metrics, your unique behaviors have allowed you to define and then dominate a completely new standard of what good even looks like. So, if there's one crucial point to take away, it's this. Your greatest competitive weapon is your culture. Simple as that. The ability to outperform everyone else rests squarely on your organization's power to build a system of these supportive behaviors, and then to maintain them for the long haul. And all this leaves us with one final but really powerful question to think about. Looking at your own team or your own organization, what is the one behavior that could completely transform your performance? Seriously, think about it. What's that one single action that if everyone did it consistently would absolutely change the game for you?